We'll cover object-oriented programming in the 5th unit of our material. Using procedural programming, you can tell the computer to do a lot of things. You can tell it to repeat certain instructions a number of times, like repeating an operation for every file in a folder. You can tell it to decide what to do based on some condition, like only opening a file if it's a specific file type. You can tie together commands to be called when needed. There are a lot of things you can do. However, you can't teach the computer a concept it doesn't understand, not very easily anyway. Imagine we were creating a new gradebook application. We have a concept of student information like first name, last name, address, class enrollments, and so on. For us, the idea of a student as a concept with lots of information attached makes a lot of sense. In procedural programming, though, that doesn't really exist. Object-oriented programming is the paradigm that lets us create new concepts and teach them to the computer. What it means is there is some code that isn't executed in order when we execute our code. Instead, it's sort of preloaded and used as needed. That breaks the imperative nature of procedural programming.